Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is the take, mate. This is the take. Right. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are Paragn. We are a shop and also have a Discord group, a cook group, a community, whatever you want to call it. And in today's video, we are unboxing. I can't even remember how many pairs it is, mate. It's quite a lot. I think it's around the 40k mark, maybe 35, because a few pairs had already been sent to eBay for authentication. But yeah, I know YouTube love a shocked thumbnail. Unboxing £50,000 worth of shoes. But yeah, it was quite a lot, man. We are Paragn, like I said, and we supply a lot of the pairs, most of the pairs for the events that eBay put on. So luckily, we had a lot of pairs in stock, but we did have to source a few pairs, some pairs that you don't see every day, and some grail pairs. So you'll see that, or see those in this video. But yeah, this event specifically was called Swap 'em Out. Really cool concept. It was a really cool day for those who went to the event. It was a laugh, mate, and people walked away with some serious pairs. But the whole concept is that you brought in a pair that you didn't wear anymore, or a pair that you just didn't like, and you got a better pair back. So anyway, it was a really, really cool event. So in this video, you'll see some of the pairs that we sourced. Like I said, we had a good few pairs in stock: Lost and Found, Seafoams, Crafts, the new White Cements, Jordan 4s, Midnight Navies, Black Canvas, Military Blacks, all that kind of good stuff. The most sort of current popular colorways and silhouettes, we had a lot of that in stock. So, because we only had 2 days to do this, so it was pretty hectic. But anyway, we're going to be unboxing those in the video. And the reason why I've got these two absolute bangers in front of me is because I just want to talk about the group real quick. Sorry for it to turn into an advert, sorry/not sorry. But anyway, we now do retail drops inside the community, and it's called Paragn Second Chance. And basically, it's to give those members who didn't get a shoe on release a second chance to get the shoe for resale. So for example, a member walked away with a pair of the SB little rubber action pine greens for retail. And then also, we are doing, well, we've actually finished this. 2 members walked away with 2 pairs of Cortez 95s. The pink beams, not this colorway, for retail too. So we'll be doing this every Sunday moving forward, and then every Wednesday we'll also be raffling off pairs for like £5, £10 a ticket, and low ticket numbers as well. So you've got a better odd, got better chances of winning, and these will be raffled off as well. So every Wednesday raffles, every Sunday retail drops, Paragn Second Chance. But anyway, man, thank you very much for watching. Let's get into it before our boys to death were talking about fucking random stuff. But yeah, if you came to the event and said hello, nice one. It was a wicked event. Nice to meet some people face to face, including members. Like I said, one of our members walked away with a pair of Jordan 4 cores, the grey pair, and he traded in a Jordan 4 Craft. So yeah, cheeky. What a result that was, man. But yeah, do all the YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, notifications bell. And yeah, moving forward, we'll be uploading videos on what's coming out, how to get it, unboxing pairs, vlogs, all that kind of good stuff, man. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please tell me that was fucking recording that time. Yeah, so let's start with this, the brown box, which means one thing. It's a Travis high or a Travis low. The receipt is in there as well. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And well, first of all, got the Cement 3s. I think this is my new favorite shoe, and I've discovered recently, since wearing them every day for about a week, they don't crease as much as 4s, do they? Which I'm really, really enjoying. You've got the fucking best shoe in the world, mate. One of the top pairs, there's 5 pairs that people are gonna get to bring back home, basically. I think the top 5 pairs are like a competition. Don't really know how it's gonna be run, but this is one of the top 5 pairs. Obviously, it's a Travis Scott high. It's such a good pair, mate. Such an iconic move, isn't it? Like, imagine this pair without the reverse swoosh. It'll still be nice, but I love this pair, mate. I've got 2 pairs myself. One of them is absolutely beat. So I can't remember how much I paid for this one, but I'll try to go through what I paid for every single pair. Talking about good pairs, let's kick it off. I mean, with Travis, and then straight away. So this is obviously an off-white box, and this is the box that the first dunks came in, but this is not a dunk. This is a Brooklyn. So what a shoe, mate. The swoosh is just iconic, man. I love this pair. Nice felt, I think it's felt or suede. Yeah, it must be. Felt little hang tag. It's crazy though, like, I think we spoke about this before, like, it is just an Air Force One. £2,000, this shoe. anywhere between, I don't know, 1,800 to 2 grand, depending on size and where you're buying it, obviously. But there's no way I could break that in. I just couldn't do it. It would be in my head the whole time that this cost £2,000. So that's why I tried to buy my personals used now. But anyway, someone's trading in a Panda Dunk and getting that, I think, which is nuts. Carrying on with some absolute heat. Luke's taking the piss out of me because I say this about every single shoe, but this genuinely is one of my favourite shoes of all time. But yet again, same as that, I couldn't break it in. This deserves to be sat in a flipping case, mate, and just looked at. Yet again, around the £2,000 mark. Someone's trading in a used pair and walking away with these. Very, very lucky. So we have a lot 1. First time seeing these in hand. It's a very, very interesting shoe. I mean, these would get fucked, mate. So cool, after one wear. And if you've actually worn a lot, which I'm sure a lot of people watching have, like this material, that gets so ruined, mate. Nothing's coming out of that, but it's a really cool shoe. I mean, if you were ever at the point financially where you could just buy these absolute fucking cheeky pairs and just beat them to the ground, how cool would that be? But a lot 1. Anyway, let's just go through some other pairs because I think we've got some really cool, interesting pairs. The patterns, paper's amazing. It's one of your favourites, isn't it? Yeah, it's wicked. Another very cool pair. Like the materials in hand are so much nicer than you think. You've got like a cracked white leather, patent leather. This material's stunning. Yeah, mate, the little cream sole is wicked. Then we've got a ton of lost and founds here, as you can see. Luckily, we had all of these in stock and we've still got, I don't know if you can see behind, but we've still got a good few pairs left. I love the Reimagine series, and also, if you've seen our social media and if you pay attention to sort of sneaker content online, you would probably see that we may be getting a Bread Jordan 4, which is one of my, fucking hell, I said it again. One of my favourite shoes of all time. Haven't got a pair. And also a Royal Reimagine. So we've had these so far, these, apparently a Royal and a Bread 4, which would be amazing. Because I just think it's a really cool thing that Jordan brand are doing. And you get that sort of vibe, but with a newer, cheaper pair, which is cool. So a ton of lost and founds. Then we have a Seafoam, I think. Yeah, wicked shoe, mate. Look at that. So yeah, we bought a ton of these off members, mate. So many pairs. So if you're in the group and you have any more pairs of Seafoams, let us know, because we've pretty much used, well, we've used a lot of pairs in this. This is an interesting pair, a pair that you don't see too often. An Asics Gel Light 2, the Ronnie pair, the Ronnie Fieg. Yeah, it's an interesting pair. So someone's gonna walk away with that. Talking about interesting pairs, this is gonna take about 13 years to unbox, so I won't. Actually, it's not too bad. This is the Adidas Yu-Gi-Oh! And it comes with a card. But the actual shoe itself is pretty cool.
Nice, yeah, I like the, what is it? Adi 2000.
Yeah, and each card is unique and different. I think that's what people go sort of rave on about with this release. The craft, not really a fan, to be honest. I think we've spoken about this before. If it had the meshing, the panel, I think it would be better. And like you said, if it was this color, I think it would be really nice. But obviously it's just etched into the material. So we've got some crafts, we've got some black canvas, which is a really cool shoe. Yet again, the box is just a letdown, mate. Like the Zen Master box. Wish it had a more unique box, but for people living in the UK, can't knock a black canvas, mate. Puddle City over here. Prices are fucking crazy, mate. Like, oh, little factory defect there. I'm pretty sure they'll be fine with a little factory flaw, a little quality control defects, but military black, size 9.5, mine size. I think me and Luke both agree on this. Not really a fan of the old infrared. Feels like a fake shoe that you would see in fake Jordan 4 in Malaga. Yeah, not a fan of those, man. Not a fan. SB box, this is probably either a Why So Sad. Yeah, it is a Why So Sad. Love this shoe. Bought about 3 pairs of these. And it's pretty cheap. Very, very undervalued at the minute, I think. Some really nice details. The story behind the shoe is amazing as well. Cool shoe. Translucent bottom. Little question mark on the back. Insole's really cool. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but So yeah, I think I bought like 4 pairs or 3 pairs of these. Paid like $250, which is basically, yeah, paid $250, which is basically market. This is an interesting pair, very interesting pair. Don't know if you can see the box. A6 obviously, but jound. Bit of you this, mate, bit of you. Something you don't see every day. I can see myself going this way, mate. I can see myself going obscure and weird, just for the sake of it. So a lot of the same stuff in here. You've got some Midnight Navies as well, which is, everyone's seen that shoe. Some Jordan 3s. We've got a lot of these in here as well, which is the Grey Fog. Nothing crazy, obviously, but getting spicy. This shoe has a million fakes of it, mate. Hyper Royal. Hyper Royal, someone's walking over that, cheeky bugger, cheeky bugger. And then, it's gonna happen again, mate, I'm gonna say it, fuck it. One of my favorite shoes of all time, on Luke's feet. Right now, I think there's 4 pairs of these going out. Might take the band off that actually, so it doesn't get all fucked. But yeah, Orange Lobster, I paid kind of all over the place on these. I think I paid like $380 for this pair, which is a 7.5. $380 shipped, yeah. And then I paid $500 on a bigger size. And then, yeah, paid all over the place, but such a cool shoe. It's actually my favorite Lobster as well. Obviously, you've got the purple, red, blue, the yellow, which is crazy, and then the white, the all white friends and family. I think that's it, but an interesting pair here, Chicago SB. I got these for retail when they came out at Flatspot, actually, I think. One of my favorite shoes of all time, I think. Definitely one of the most inspirational shoes of all time. Shout out Pam Pam for the receipt there. The Sean, 97-1. If it wasn't, mate, you got to respect Round 2 and what they did and Sean and whatnot, because they literally inspired this whole buy, sell, trade thing that we still see today. And the shoe is just fucking amazing, man. The whole release behind it. Do you remember the scratch? The scratch and find. Such a cool release. So we've got that. Oh, the Sean's in the top tier as well. What's this? Another Why So Sad. And then here we have the Fish and Chips Jordan 1. Called it the Fish and Chips. Made this joke before, so it's not going to be funny, but it's like fucking unwrapping some fish and chips. It's like, it takes about 12 years to unbox these things, man, but they're getting some good shoes in return. See what I mean? Do you want salt and vinegar with that, or? And then another Lobster. I think this is a UK 9. Yeah, paid high for that, but needed it. Which box do you prefer? The purple, this one or this one? Yeah, for sure. I think it's a ray gun. Woo! Look at that leather, mate. Can you see it? Cheeky. UK 10.5. Then we've got a lot. I think I had this one. I think I've still got it actually. Lot 22. Yeah, lot 22. So someone's gonna get one of those. So, and then a cool, interesting shoe that we haven't seen before in hand. Ma Maniére, obviously. And this time it's the high. Nice shoe, man. Like, I would wear it if it wasn't for the fact that it was like a crocodile. Is it crocodile? Something like that. If that was just like a normal print, I'd prefer it more, but who the fuck am I, mate? Do you know what I mean? Who cares? It's also got, on the inner, it's got the quilted fabric, which they do across like the 4s and whatnot. So they always nail their like collaborations though, man. I think a lot of people like this shoe. We've got a lot of these Ma Manières actually, a lot of 4s. I think I bought about 4 pairs. And then we have a couple of 4s here. We've got the white Oreo. We've got a lot of these on release. Ooh, fuck, in the States, almost dropped it. Did a legit checking video on these. I'll do a video actually, legit checking Jordan 4s next, because a lot of people have asked. Then we've got the Uni Blue. My size, mate, I want to keep it. I've actually got a pair though. I'd never wear it. Crazy how much these are, man. Like, they're just skyrocketed in price. So yeah, you've got a uni blue there. What else have we got? Some militaries, some Travis, some... Look how good this shoe is, mate. I mean, for like 150, look at that, and look at the quality. You can spend fucking 180 on a pair of Grey Fog Dunks or get this for 150. Size, receipt, mate, this shoe went bonkers, didn't it? It's so hard for me to justify spending that on a Dunk when you know the quality is just like the same throughout, apart from the special pairs and whatnot. And obviously the SBs. And talking about special pairs, we have some Syracuse in here somewhere. We've got a ton of these for the lower tier, already eBay tagged. Medium olive, another unique pair. We've got the Frag Sakai.
These are really bad at that.
Yeah, I'm just not a fan of navy, man. It's just too school uniform. My old school uniform was that colour as well, and I see it now and I just have flashbacks, mate. Wake up in the night screaming. Threes, pretty much everyone's seen these. I'm wearing mine right now, as we showed ya. But, and a quick plug about the Cook group and membership that we have. We did a thing called Second Chance, which basically means we gave members who didn't get the shoe on release a chance to get them again for retail, basically. So gave away 2 of these pairs for retail. We also just do giveaways in general, but this is a pair of Seafoams. Cool shoe. Cheeky shoe, cheeky. Our last pair of Jordan 1 Uni Blues. On release, we got about 100, mate, so many. Can't even remember. I think it was about 130 or 40. Those, and then, I think that's kind of it. We've got like a Union Dunk down there. We've got another pair of Patters here, which I'll show you. Obviously, these are all just the same pairs that you've seen. Love this shoe. I had it, mate, and I sold it. I don't know why. I prefer this to the all white, but. So yeah, oh, it comes with the bracelet as well. Ma Maniére Jordan 4, because we got 4 pairs of these, and I paid pretty good on them. Some of them I paid high, but on one of them I paid like 300. So yeah, I paid like 300 for a pair, UK 12, which is a good price. Fair price though, because market's lower on a 12. But yeah, really cool shoe. I'm sure loads of people have seen these before, mate, but shoe that you never really get sick of seeing. It's also got the same inner as the one, like I said. I need a pair of these, mate, because I feel like they'll withstand the English weather more than most. The quality is really good. Yeah, man. So, oh yeah, let's just show 2 more pairs while we're at it. This is a Red Thunder, I believe. Yeah. I'm looking forward to the actual Thunders coming out. Prefer yellow than red. But all of these pairs, I'm sure if you watch like sneaker content, you'd have seen people talk about the quality. It's fucking shit. No, it's not. The overall shoe's good, but it's like always here. So Red Thunder, and then we have, this is a crazy shoe. Price on this is ridiculous. Atmos Air Max 1 Animal Pack. So you've got cheetah, zebra. What else? What other animals? I was just trying to figure it out. Leopards, yeah, all the animals, mate. So yeah, these are going for like, we'll pop it up on the screen. I think it's about 600 quid. 600 smackers for that. Someone's walking away with that is the most sketchy pile of shoes I've ever seen in my life. And then also, someone's walking away with my second favorite Travis Scott, the Black Phantom. Love it, I think it's amazing. So I just wanted to sign off the video. Thanks for watching, mate, appreciate it. Do all the classic stuff, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, mate. Here we go. Bosh.